Nice.
Let me see.
Scrolling underneath, it says my name is Doofus. Oh, that's so pretty.
Is there flowers?
No. Hearts.
Hearts.
You give it away.
Oh no.
Oh no is right.
Oh my. That sounded official. You should take a picture of these in the middle of the hearts.
Oh God. Back to Doofus.
Back to do
That would
this.
be pretty funny. I think that would be funny.
Yeah, it'd be funny if someone was like 40. Not if they were 12.
Oh.
And it was their mom.
Oh.
And it was their mom.
Not funny. I got it. I understand that. Oh. Don't want to see Graham, huh? Graham should have.
She should have.
She picked up 8 hours on Saturday.
She did?
That's why she said she wasn't coming anyway, because she couldn't get anybody to work for her. Because they're having problems with the wire. They think my mom thinks now they broke the camel's back, and her latest stunt is going to get her demoted.
I've heard so much about the liar.
It's like, I can't believe that she's affected so many people. Yeah. She's got some young boyfriend who's a drug addict that beats the crap out of her. She was on her neck and her chin last week at work, and she went down to the ER on hospital
Grandma?
time while she was working. That's how she got those bruises.
Really?
Yeah.
If people suspect something, especially at a hospital, are they up?
I'm not
Or
sure.
is it just child?
I think it's minors, I think. She beat her up so bad last time and put her in.
Where'd she do? Get in a car accident?